For me to love you doesn't mean I must hate Zimbabweans. My love for Zimbabweans is not hatred for South Africans. My love for Zimbabweans is the love that you taught me, that we love one another as Africans. We don't discriminate against each other as Africans. Hai lor lenyaka voter ka re ke bue maka ha re na ke rate batho ba Africa. You will rather not vote for me. I am not desperate to become president of South Africa. I am desperate to unite the African continent. And if the unity of my people is going to cost me votes, you can take your votes. I don't want xenophobic votes. I don't want the votes of haters. Monna are kopan la toya mutwaring are kopane la walk problem. We must hate those who divide us, not those who unite us. South Africa, you are not Europe of Africa. You are Africa. And the freedom, economic freedom of the whole of Africa will only be realized if South Africa realizes its own economic freedom. The freedom for political emancipation started in the north and ended in the south. The freedom for economic emancipation will start in the south and will end in the north. One day, Africa itlo jadi minerale chayona. One day, Africa itlo jadi tlhapi chayona. Africa itlo jadi kho ya se jadi reject jadi tswang kwa America je ba di fang tsona. One day, Africa itlo ba le president one. One day, Africa is going to have one currency. One day, Africa is going to have one parliament. One day, black people are going to be respected all over the world because of the unity of Africa. Ke fele bampolaela hore ke rata motho moso ha ka ja tšhelete ya motho ke o rata because ha ko shebile ke a ke bona ko wena. You are my mirror, and if I see myself through you, then I have a duty to love you if I love myself.